Hello, and thank you for your interest in the 2020 Run and Read Everyday Poster Contest. As always, our theme is You Are Your Greatest Work of Art. Now, the poster contest isn't the only way that we express that we are our greatest work of art. We also have projects. And these projects, they're not just projects that are visual projects. One project that we constantly work on is and healthy lifestyle. So, drinking water. Drinking water is very important for you to do every day. Also, it's very important for you to read. Reading stimulates the mind, and understanding the written word helps the brain develop new neutrons. So, I wanted to reiterate what you are your greatest work of art is. Being your greatest work of art, you are making sure that you are the best that you can be. Now, these are entries that students have created showing how they can be their greatest work of art. I really appreciate your interest in the contest, but I want you to ask yourself, how are you going to depict that you are your greatest work of art? I look forward to see your submission, and as always, please remember, you are your greatest work of art. Thank you.